Hello, welcome. My name is Chris Njoku. Today in the Simplifier YouTube channel, you'll be watching how to calculate sales commission from the data before us. Let's assume these are names of salespersons in a company, and then they have commission as a result of their sales. These commissions come in different percentage. And so when you are calculating the sales commission of each salesman, you have to consider the percentage that's accruable to the sales amount such salesperson have garnered over a certain period. Now, let's move forward. This is the percentage accruable to the sales. Any salesman that makes between 0 to 499,999 is expected to receive 4%. This is the percentage that is accruable. Any salesperson that sells between 0 to 499,999 goes home with 4%. A salesperson that falls between 500,000 and 999,999 goes home with 7%. And then 1 million and above makes 10% as commission. Now, in order for us to calculate sales commission, we're going to be using two functions. One is the if function, another is the if and function. The if and function is a nested function. So let's go. To calculate the sales commission, we say equals, and then we bring in the if function. If the logical test is the sales here B2, if B2 is less than or equals to 499,999, what should be done? Let B2 be multiplied by 4%, comma. The next is between 500,000 and 999,999. This is where the nested if function will come in, because we have two thresholds. We have the lower threshold, which is the 500,000, and then the higher threshold, which is the 999,999. So we use the if, and this is the nested if function. And then we say B2 greater than or equals to 500,000, comma, and then B2 again, that is for the higher threshold, is less than or equals to 999,999, and then we close the bracket. And so what should happen if that is the case? Let B2 be multiplied by 7%. Else, any other figure that falls between 1 million and above should be multiplied by 10%. And then we close the bracket for the if and function. You can see it's showing red here, and this is also red. That's why I've taken care of that. Another bracket was seen here has been closed here already. So what is remaining is the beginning if bracket. It has to be closed. So we must take note of this in whatever we're doing. And then we hit our enter key. And this is the outcome of our analysis. We hold down the autofill handle and drag down. So this is the sales commission for each of these salesperson. Thank you for watching.